Alright, what's going on guys? I'm back with part 4 from Operation Uprising that's off there in J, and let's get right into the video. At the end of part 3, me and some of my team captured one of the 2 Insurgancy buildings. Part 4 starts where that one ended off, where we are defending our building while trying to attack the enemy building.
Come on, let's go. Where are they?
Nobody's coming. Somebody's messing. I'm sorry! No, where are they fucking shooting from? I hear him. I can't see the tower from here. Because the tower is blocked by trees.
Oh, I'll try and get him. Ken, get into the building closer to our respawn. We're in it. Hit!
You respawned. Where the fuck are you coming from? I see you guy right here. Caught your fucking foot. Of course he doesn't call his foot. Foot counts, right?
Yeah, of course.
Hit! Fuck. Kevin, you alive? Well, they're gonna be rushing in. Wait, if you're hit, respawn, right?
Yeah. Come on.
But you need to wait 2 minutes.
I'll try.
They're all on the side of the building. Reloading. They're right in the trench. I'm getting back in the tower.
He's in the tower.
What?
I think he's in the tower.
They popped a smoke. What's the smoke mean? Wait, they're dead. Dude, they're dead. Go, go.
The white smoke in the building across from us is actually there because someone on our team dropped a bomb on that building. Your team can earn a bomb by capturing 3 side objectives scattered around the map.
I'm going. Are you kidding me?
He's hit.
You're not calling it.
And now he pulled out his red rag.
Well, he was keeping going.
Alright. Kevin, you have to pick your gun first. Is that teammate on that door? Get in there. Keep going. Let's raise our flag.
Are you guys going to kind of flag for me?
Yep.
Thank you.
I can't see.
Where's the flag?
I don't know. Where's the flag? Oh my god. Where's the flag? Oh shit. Hey!
Flag's up. Chris, you can respawn at it now. Yeah. Yeah.
Even though you're at the spawn, if you get shot, you have a 2-minute lead.
Oh, this guy. Hit! Yeah!
I would get out of the way if I were you.
Yeah.
Alright, after me and Chris got pushed out of this building, we ended up having to go back to village to respawn. That's gonna be it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure you guys check out one of the 2 videos on screen right now if you haven't seen them yet.